The official website for Dungeon ni Dio Motomeru no wa Makigateru Daro Ka 3. Is it wrong to try to pick up girls in a dungeon? 3. The third anime season based on Fujino Omori and Suzuhito Yasuda's light novel series began streaming a new promotional video on Tuesday. The video features Yuka Iguchi's opening theme song, Over and Over. The link to the promotional video is in the description. And just a friendly reminder that the anime will premiere on October 2nd after a delay from July to October or later, due to the effects of the new virus. The anime will air on Tokyo MX, Sun TV, KBS Kyoto, and BS11 on October 2nd at 24:30, effectively October 3rd at 12:30 am, and will then air on ATX on October 3rd. The show will also stream in Japan on DAnime Store, Unext, Anime Hodai, Gyaro, Bandai Channel, VOD, Nikoniko, Video Market, and DTV. That is all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.